Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your laptop supports the J5create dock and that you have the correct power brick. This matters because insufficient wattage causes unstable device charging. Once confirmed, place the dock close to your monitor and outlet so cables aren't strained. Unbox and inspect included USB-C/DisplayPort/HDMI cables and any adapter plugs. Keep small parts accessible. Now plug the dock into power, but hold off on connecting the laptop until the dock shows its power LED. This prevents negotiation errors. With the dock powered and visible, connect your primary monitor to the HDMI or DisplayPort output. Choose the monitor's input so the display can sync. Next, plug wired peripherals, keyboard, mouse, external drives into dedicated USB ports and add Ethernet for stable network access. Once peripherals are seated, connect the dock to your laptop via the USB-C cable. Many laptops will prompt to enable alternate mode or allow device access. Accept these so video and data pass. If prompted, install the vendor driver to unlock advanced features. Finish by configuring display arrangement, resolution, and audio output in your operating system so screens behave as expected. This fixes scaling and window placement. Confirm the dock is charging at the expected wattage shown by your laptop. Proper power prevents throttling. If something fails, no display, no network, power cycle the dock and reboot the laptop, then reconnect power, monitor, and USB-C in that sequence. This often clears negotiation errors. If problems persist, swap cables and test ports to isolate a faulty cable or hardware issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.